What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish back in the video. And right now, I'm currently rushing to head to Safe Flight to get my window repaired on my car because I do have a crack in my window. I done had this crack since when I first bought the car, but I wasn't in a rush to fix it until it started getting worse. And now it's starting to web across my window. So I was like, you know what? Let me go and get that fixed today because I don't got to worry about it later. And then plus, I was already researching who to go to. I had went to BMW at first, and they told me like $1,400 to get the window fixed. $1,400, crazy. Then I had looked at Safe Flight. Safe Flight told me about around the same price if I was paying out of pocket. But I was like, you know, let me go and contact my insurance. Contacted them and they told me I got to pay the deductible. And it's so expensive because my car, I got all these features on my car, and my window has a camera and it has a satellite on it. So I have to get a special window put on my car for everything to work right. So with that being said, I'm about to just go ahead, take care of that today, get that out the way so I don't have to worry about it no more. I'm just kind of mad that I'm running late. I thought my appointment was for 1:15. It was actually for 1 o'clock and it's 12:58 and I'm 15 minutes away. I'm really trying to push for time because they do give you a 15-minute grace period. So I'm really using this full 15 minutes to get there. So I'm just trying to hurry up, be safe. If not, worst case, I just get it rescheduled, but I really want to get it done today because that's the only time I'm free is today. So yeah, that being said though, I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. All right, man, we got here exactly at what, 1:12. I shaved off 3 minutes, but this is how normally, because yesterday the reason why I chose to come to Safe Flight is because I wanted to be over here so I can edit videos, bring my laptop and everything rather than being at home, because I knew if I was at home I wouldn't get nothing done. Tell me why I done drove all the way out here and I forgot my dang on MacBook, bro. So now I'm just sitting here waiting for 2 to 3 hours when I could have been editing while I was here, bro. So that sucks, but at least my window's getting fixed. Let me show y'all my window. All right, so this is my window from the inside. I don't know if y'all can tell, but look at that long gold crack. Then on the outside, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Outside, this is the crack, and it got way worse over time. At first, it was literally just this crack right here. Wait, I can't even tell because of the camera and the reflection, but it's a crack right here on my fingers. It started off right here, and over time, it just got worse. So go ahead, we getting that fixed up. Hopefully, they said 2 hours, bro. So this might be done by like 3 or 4 o'clock, but it just sucks. I thought I had my my PC. So yeah, yeah. Just waiting to get this fixed.
Give me roughly like an hour and a half, 2 hours for it.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
I'm so sick I did not bring my my car. My lovely baby, man. Here. Go ahead and get that fixed. Look at him. It is currently 2:50. They're just now finishing up my car and putting the new windshield on. I think he just left test drive my car, I guess, to make sure the windows on good. Or I'm waiting for him to come back and then I gotta pay the deductible fee. But I asked them, can I go ahead and put 10 on it? They told me to wait about 5 days. So I guess I gotta wait. I need to see how it's gonna look without this tint, because my full car, my whole entire car is tinted besides the windshield now. So it might look a little weird, but we're gonna get that sorted out probably next week. Once I go and get my car serviced, because my car is due for service. It should be due for service either this week or next week, because I got like 400 miles until it's due. So it should be due around one of these, either this week or next week, hopefully. Gonna get that serviced, and then I gotta get my camera in my car readjusted, because it comes with like a little satellite and a camera on the windshield, so I gotta get that adjusted. So I'm gonna get all that stuff there taken care of, and then the windshield tint will be last. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for him to come back with my car. Hopefully he's not really joyriding it, he just test driving and not joyriding it, because he been going for like what, 3 minutes now. But when he come back, I'm gonna pay, and then we're gonna head back home. So I'm gonna see y'all when he get back. There go my car, bro. It looks so nice when I see other people driving my car. This looks so nice. Look at that. Yeah. Man, it looks so nice when people driving my car. But let me go in here and pay this, pay what I owe. So I'm gonna be right back. All right, man. So here was the old windshield. Y'all can see it was cracked up really bad. Cracks all through here. Cracks. So yeah, got fixed. Now I'm about to go ahead and pay. Appreciate that, boss man.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate that. Yeah, let's go and pay, man. Bruh, so not only can I not get no tint until another week, No car wash either. They just doing me bad, bro. But hey, it look way better. So now when I do my POVs and stuff on my car, I ain't gonna have nobody complaining in my comments about the little crack or nothing. It's fixed. Now we can do all the little fun stuff to my car, which is I gotta get it serviced and then I gotta get it retuned. So this is all gonna be fun. I'm gonna be documenting everything. But my camera finna go dead, so let me get in the car and put it on the charger, then I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit more. All right, now that I got that fixed, I have to look for my registration sticker because I did not have it on the other windshield because I was contemplating on putting it on because I was like, bro, I'm just gonna wait till I get the windshield fixed. Now that the windshield fixed, I don't even know what I did with the registration sticker. So now I gotta look for that. It might be at home somewhere, but I could have sworn I had it in my car because if y'all watched my last vlog, y'all already know I got pulled over for not having my front plate on, which I still gotta get this put on. But I'm kind of debating on if I should just put it on or just have it in my window. I'm not even really sure yet. Because my front of my car, the hose is not even there for me to poke. Well, no, the hose is there, but it don't align with this license plate. So I got to figure out a way to get this put on. But yeah, I need to find my registration sticker. I thought I had it inside my console, but I don't. So maybe it's at home. We're gonna see though. Now that we got this done, like I said, I gotta get my car retuned because the tune that I have in my car is good, but when I try to plug my module up, my thing right here, let me show y'all. When I plug this up to my car, why can't I grab it, bro? What's going on? When I plug my little module thing up to my car to like read codes and stuff, it says it's outdated. So I have to get it. I had to get a retune, and I gotta update the tune that's on the car. So I'm gonna do that probably in another couple of days. I might do that after I get my car serviced at BMW. Once it gets serviced, then I'm gonna go ahead and flash a new tool on here. But other than that should be it. It should be good to go. Probably gonna give me some food real quick from the spot that I got last time that I did not record at. I had got Mickey's soul food last time I came out here in Pearland. So I'm gonna go ahead and get food real quick, and then we gonna go home. So let's go do that. Mickey's, bro. I came to this spot last time and I ain't record. This time I'm recording. Yeah, I forgot. So they play copyright, but hold on. What's going on, boss? Let me get the just a second. Gotta be. Yeah, so I'm getting beef tip. It should be macaroni and yam.
Macaroni and yam, greens.
Yeah, just like that. All right, man, I'm finally at home, and I'm just now inspecting the window to make sure it ain't got no cracks. And it already got a small little crack at the top, like right here. Hold on. It's already a crack in the window. I'm calling them and I'm gonna go up there tomorrow because no, bro, I just paid for that. I don't want no cracks, no nothing in my window. That should not be right there. And then nothing in my window while I was on the way home. So he did that. I don't know, like someone told me to inspect this before I left and I didn't. I just thought it looked good, but that crack can get bigger, bro. So we need to get that handled tomorrow. I'm gonna go up there tomorrow and tell him like, hey, bro, y'all left a little dent in my window. I need that replaced because I'm not, I ain't got time to be calling my insurance, telling them I got another crack in my windshield and I ain't do this one. So yeah, I need to get that fixed. All right, man, it is indeed the next day. I did check my window. It was actually just a little like some glue or something stuck on there. It was not a crack because I was really freaking out, but got that taken care of. Right now I'm inside Best Buy because I need to grab two things. I'm probably gonna grab one thing today. I need to get me a dash cam and a radar. So right now I'm just looking at it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab it today. I'm just looking, try to save up a little bit and grab what I need. So right now I'm currently over here at the area. This right here is what I think these are the dash cams and radars. Yeah, here go the dash cams. But I want a dash cam that has a front and back display. That's what we're doing in here. When I'm done, I'm gonna go back to my car and we gonna head back home. But that's all I got for today so far. All right, man, I'm still in here just looking, and I'm just trying to make sure that I got everything together as far as like what I'm gonna get. Because I've been needing this for the longest. Like I've been needing the dash cam and the radar for the longest. I just been pushing to the side. But today I'm actually gonna I'm making an extra step closer to committing to what I'm trying to get. Because I've been saving up for it. I feel like it's finally time to get it, honestly. The one that I was gonna get before, they don't have it in stock. And I think the price actually went up. Like I was gonna originally get it on Black Friday when everything was on sale, but the prices went up. So now I'm trying to make a better decision today as far as looking at the stuff. Right now it's looking like I'm probably gonna be spending some money on the things I'm trying to get. All right, I'm back in my car and I'm actually proud of myself, man. Like I'm proud of myself because I'm so used to making crazy decisions when I want something. Like if I want something, I normally just go and get it on the spot, no questions asked. Like I'll go in there, don't put not a thought into it, buy it and be cool with it. Now lately, I've been actually like thinking before I actually put my money into something, I actually been like, okay, should I get this right now? Is this really the best option to get? Let me do a little more research. Like, I've been doing all of that stuff, and it's been going good, bro. Because I'm not gonna lie, when I went in there with the headspace at first as, okay, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna leave with the radar and the dash cam. Mind y'all, the radar and the dash cam that I want to get, the dash cam like $500 something, and the dash cam was like $200 something. That meant I was gonna spend $700 on the spot without even thinking, bro. And I was like, you know what, bro? I'm just going ahead, just look at it, take a picture of it, think it over, and then actually think about if this is really what I want to do before I go do it. Because I done had the issue in the past where, like I said, I just go and box up on the spot. Same thing with this car that I have, bro. I went to the dealership. I really wasn't supposed to leave with a car that day. Like, if I wanted to, I could, as y'all know, I left with the car. But when I got to the dealership, my original plan was literally to, okay, we're gonna go and we're gonna look at cars, but if I see one that I like, I'm gonna get it today. And that's what ended up happening, instead of me actually thinking it over and making better decisions. So I'm just proud of myself, bro, for noticing the growth that I'm experiencing right now. A lot of y'all probably like, bro, what are you talking about? I feel like y'all probably won't understand, but I'm just proud of myself. But now I do need to head to Walmart. I gotta grab a couple of cosmetic stuff, and then we're gonna head back home. I will see y'all in Walmart.